Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you how to install a Nether expansion data pack on your server. Usually in vanilla Minecraft the Nether is 128 blocks tall, but with this data pack it's now 256 blocks tall. This fits in so much better with the 1.18 Caves and Cliffs update. As you can see on the right, which is the side with the data pack enabled, the Nether height is significantly different. Additionally, when you explore the dimension, you can now come across huge Nether mountains. Not only that, but another feature this pack introduces is 3D biomes. This is a pretty new feature in Minecraft that allows biomes to generate on top of each other, and this pack makes full use of that feature. As you can see here, there are biomes stacked up, meaning whichever direction you travel in, you'll always have more to explore. Firstly, you can use the link in the description to get to the official download page. Scroll down to where it says Download Data Pack and click it for your file to be instantly downloaded. To make the next step easier, make sure you move this file to a place where you can easily access, for example, your desktop. For this step, you're going to have to go to the Server.pro website and access your server control panel from there. At the dashboard, make sure that the server version matches the datapack version to ensure no complications. As of now, the website states it's for 1.18, but this may change in the future, so please check before continuing. Before proceeding to the next step, quickly confirm that the server is offline. Afterwards, head over to the Worlds tab. Here is where you're going to create a brand new world. It's recommended to make a fresh one, as downloading this data pack onto an already generated world may cause issues such as not generating any of the data pack features. You can set your world name and adjust world settings as usual. Just make sure the world name doesn't have spaces or special characters. However, below you'll also see a button labeled Upload Data Packs. Simply click the Select Files button and then navigate to the area where you saved the Amplified Nether Datapack zip to. Once you've found it, press Open and then Create World. It'll take a second for the files to upload, but when that's done, you should go into the Files tab. There you should see a new folder with the world name you entered previously. Double click it and then go into the Datapacks folder. If you see the Amplified Nether Datapack zip inside, it means you have officially uploaded the datapack onto your server. All you have to do then is log into your server to explore the new Nether. You can do this by heading to the dashboard and copying the host name. Afterwards, quickly launch your Minecraft application, and when it's open, head to the multiplayer section. Click Add Server and in the server address section, paste the host name. And as you can see, when you enter your server and go into the Nether, there's a whole new world awaiting for you to explore. Well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to see more from our channel. Thank you for watching!